Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your PlayStation Plus subscription and stop automatic renewal, follow these step-by-step instructions to properly manage your membership. Step 1. Turn on your PlayStation console and sign in to your PlayStation Network account using your credentials. Step 2. From the home screen, navigate to Settings by scrolling to the top menu and selecting the Settings icon. Step 3. In Settings, scroll down and select Users and Accounts to access your account management options. Step 4. Select Account from the menu, then choose Payment and Subscriptions to view your active subscriptions. Step 5. Select Subscriptions to see a list of all your PlayStation Plus and other active memberships. Step 6. Select your PlayStation Plus subscription from the list. You will see details including your subscription tier, renewal date, and payment method. Step 7. Choose Cancel Subscription or turn off Auto Renew to stop your subscription from automatically renewing at the end of the current billing period. Step 8. Confirm your cancellation when prompted. Sony will ask you to verify that you want to cancel. Your PlayStation Plus benefits will remain active until the end of your current paid period, after which you will lose access to online multiplayer, monthly games, and other Plus features. You will receive a confirmation email about your cancellation. You can resubscribe at any time through the PlayStation Store. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.